Hello, welcome back. Today I have very delicious mutton korma recipe for you. So rich and flavorful korma which we always prepare at home. They are really a finger-licking korma. So don't miss to try this out. Let's quickly see how to make it. First we need to soak the cashew nut. Here I took 8 to 10 cashews. You need to soak them in hot water at least for an hour. Then I took 600 gram mutton which I cleaned, washed, drained the water and kept them aside. Then we need 2 medium onion which I thinly sliced and kept them aside as well. Now heat a pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of oil, preferably coconut oil. You can use thick bottom regular pan as well. Then to the hot oil, I added a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cloves and cardamom and 1 bay leaf. When spices slightly changed its color, I added 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 green chili chopped. The green chili I added here was too hot. We are adding only green chili and black pepper for the spiciness of the curry. So adjust them as per the hotness of chili you have. Saute them for about a minute until the raw smell goes away. Now add our onion and saute them until they are translucent. Then I roughly chopped 1 tomato and added them as well. Add salt as required and saute everything really well. When tomato became little soft, I added 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and mix everything well and cook for about a minute. Now goes in our mutton. If you are using a pressure cooker, you don't need to add a single drop of water to this. Moisture from mutton, onion, tomato will be enough for mutton to get cooked. If you are using regular pan, now add enough water to cook the mutton. Now close the lid and I cook them for about 25 minutes on medium flame, like about 8 to 10 whistles. Cooking time may vary as per the meat used, so cook them until they are soft. Meanwhile, we need to make cashew paste. So take soaked cashew to a blender. Then we need to add coconut milk. If possible, use freshly pressed coconut milk. And I added 1/4 cup of milk to it. Grind them to a fine paste and keep them aside. Our mutton cooked well. See, they are really soft. Now add our cashew paste to the curry together with half more cup of coconut milk. So altogether I took 3/4 cup of coconut milk. Mix everything well and then I added 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. You can check and adjust the seasoning now. Now boil them for about 3 to 4 minutes. In between I added 1 more green chili slitted. Now switch off the flame. Finally, finish them with some chopped coriander leaves. Our delicious mutton korma is ready. They will thicken as it sits, so you can add little hot water before serving if required. You can serve them with ghee rice, chapati, and our favorite combo is Kerala porota. Let me tell you one more thing. This will taste really great the next day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy!